welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be showing you guys how I did this hairstyle on an old crusty, I don't even know what it was in my hair. I don't think it was a wash and go. I took out my braids, haven't had time to wash my hair, and I don't want to wash it yet because I really want to dye it again. So to prolong me from having to do that, this is the style I came up with, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I did it, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so the first thing we're gonna do is part our hair halfway and then just put the bottom half in a scrunchie in a bun, just so that we can work with the top half in peace. Once we've done that, I'm sectioning off another piece in the front, and this is where we are going to do our two braids that are going to be going up to the middle of our heads. Once our braids are done, obviously I didn't braid them all the way down to the ends because who cares? But I'm gonna go ahead and spray some water and put some gel on the front of my hair, and now I'm just gonna start going and putting my hair into a high ponytail basically. Now you do want to make sure that you're smoothing it out a lot more than I did. I was kind of in a rush. But smooth it out and make sure that your hair is nice and flat. That's what's going to give you the best look. And also make sure that your hair is not covering the braids, because that just defeats the whole purpose of putting the braids there in the first place. For me, it was easier to put the top half in a ponytail and then add the second half later on. Once that part is done, I am doing a few twists. I think I did 4 to be exact. And then I'm just gonna start going and forming a bun. Nothing difficult, literally the most simple thing. Then I'm taking one at a time and just using bobby pins to secure it in place. By the end, I wasn't really feeling how it looked, so I went ahead and took a leftover piece of braided hair that I had from when I just did my braids not too long ago and wrapped that around my bun. I did not have any rhyme or reason to the way I did this. Like, I literally just stuck it on there however it was going to stay. So when you guys are doing it, you can play around with it. If you know a better method, go ahead and leave that in the comments. I just literally wrapped it around, moved the hair around to kind of cover some of my own hair, and called it a day. That is literally it, guys. Again, super simple and easy hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you try it, let me know. Definitely check out a few of my other videos. Subscribe if you guys have not already done so. And I'll see y'all in my next video.